In this short Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export Excel files into PDF format and why this is such a useful skill. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, so let's get started. Why export Excel to PDF? Here I have a health tracker spreadsheet. Let's say I'm a personal trainer working with Jason Smith. Over 17 weeks, Jason has made great progress, and all of that data is recorded here. Now our training period is finished, and I want to send Jason a progress report. The problem is, Jason doesn't have Microsoft Excel, and he may not know how to use Google Sheets or other spreadsheet programs. So sending him this Excel file won't be very helpful. Instead, I can turn this spreadsheet into a PDF, which almost anyone can open. First, I'll go to the File tab. Then I'll click Export. Next, I'll choose Create PDF/XPS document and click Create PDF/XPS. I'll choose where I want to save the file, let's say the desktop, and then click Publish. Excel converts the file and automatically opens the PDF so I can review it. Small issue. Notice that Excel exported everything, including extra rows Jason doesn't need to see. Let me show you a better option. First, I'll select only the rows and columns that I want Jason to see. With that range selected, I'll go back to File, then Export, then create PDF/XPS document. Before publishing, I'll click Options. I'll choose Selection, then click OK. Now I'll click Publish. This time, Excel creates a PDF using only the selected cells. Much better. Another way to do this is through Save As. I'll go to File, then Save As. In the File Type drop-down, I'll change Excel Workbook to PDF. Then I'll click Save. This produces the same type of PDF. Helpful tip: fit everything on one page. Before exporting, you may want to control how the page looks. Go to the Page Layout tab. In the Scale to Fit group, set Width to 1 page, Height to 1 page. This helps squeeze the data onto a single page. Now I can repeat the export process using the selection option if needed. Those are the easiest ways to export Excel files to PDF. Export the whole sheet. Export only a selection. Or use Save As. PDFs make sharing spreadsheets with non-Excel users simple and professional. Thanks for watching. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. See you in the next video.